Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add publications in LinkedIn. So go for your LinkedIn account, then go for your profile. Okay, then you can see here add profile section option here. So click on it and go for additional. Now you can see here an option as add publications. Click on it and now you have to just type your publication name. Okay. Okay. Sharon. Okay, then you have to add your publisher's name. Okay, now add your publication date. Okay, then you can add your author name and you have to just uh, enter your URL, publications URL here. Then you can add description for your publication. So I'll just skip it and go for save. So it's done. So guys, this is how you can add publications in LinkedIn. If you guys found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.